Okay, just see here some important files which you need to install on your Termux. Simple thing is just type there. Let me install the Python. Okay, Python is very important here. Simple, just type here pkg install Python. Let me install Python2. Just type Python2 there. Now just type Y. So it's around 24 MB. Okay, just wait. Now let's install Python3. Just execute the same command. Instead of 2, just type 3 there. Just type enter. Now Y, just type I there. Now it will take some time. Now let's install Git as well. pkg install Git. Let's install PHP as well. Just type here pkg install. Install PHP. Just type enter there. Just type by now. Let's install the bomber. Okay. Let me install some script here. Just let me type clear here. Okay, now it's good. Okay. Now let's go back to my browser. Simple, just open Chrome and just type there this is a SMS and Call bomber for Linux and Termux. Just open this one, the link, this first link, go down, see. If you want to modify this code, just modify it. Okay, there is a API up here. You guys can able to see, in api.json. Okay, just open this one here, this one URLs. Okay. You guys can also modify this one. See, this is how it's going to work. If you want to add any websites, you guys can also add that one. See, it's a member Daras UP hub, daras.com.np user API send verification SMS. So this is how it's going to work. Okay, simple. You guys can also edit this one now. Let's go back here and go down. See here, there are the installation packages for Termux. Okay, pkg install git.space, the -y is there. Right, simple. Previously, we just install the git. Okay, now I don't need to follow that command now. pkg install python-y. I install the Python. I don't need to follow that command. Okay, now here there is a git clone tBomb.git is there. Okay, this one simple. Let me copy this one from git clone to. It's the same like Linux. Okay, from here to here. Okay, just let me copy it and simple go back to your Termux as simple paste this here. Okay, and just type enter. Okay, it's having some problem. I think it's refusing that one. I think I just need to connect with my VPN. Okay, no problem. Let me try it. Just type ls here. You guys can able to see tBomb. Okay, simple. Just type here cd tBomb to open that folder. Okay. Bomb. Okay. Now just type ls here. Here you guys can able to see tBomb.sh is here. Okay, now let me execute this. See if you find any file in front of shit. Okay. You just downloaded some scripts from GitHub. Okay. And you just found there are some scripts with the extension of .sh. At that time, you just need to execute the script by using bash or by using // Okay. Now let me show you how we can able to do that. Simple. Just type here bash. Just type here t, same spelling. Okay, if there is a capital, just type the capital. If there is a small, just type. Okay, this is the thing here. And simple thing here. And simple thing is, if you want, if you press this one tab, it will automatically use that one. Okay, now simple, just type enter. Now here you guys can able to see the script. The script is successfully executed. Okay, note, kindly move to the pip version of tBomb. For more stability, just type enter there. Now it will install the packages, so you no need to do anything here. See, I'm not doing anything here. Okay, it's automatically installing each and everything. Just type enter now. Whenever you see, press any key to continue, just type enter there. Okay, simple thing. Now here there is you can perform this SMS bomber call, bomber start mail, bombers there. It's not yet available. The thing is why we use this SMS bomber. Okay, let me talk about the black hat field. See, whenever somebody assume that somebody hijack any kind of Android device, okay, and he just in a simple way, let me explain you. See, I just hacked your Android device, okay, After hacking that Android device, now the thing is I want to hack your Instagram or Facebook, okay? The simple thing is after hacking your Android device, I can able to intercept your SMS, okay? The simple thing is what I do means simple. I'm going to open the Instagram page here. I'm going to type your username. Simple. I click on the forget password, okay? Whenever I just type on forget password, it will ask for the OTP, right? To change the password. Simple, the SMS, the OTP, we will go to the victim, this Android device, right? I just told you, I just hacked that Android device. Okay, I can able to intercept the SMS there. Simple, I just copy the SMS and I just paste it there. Okay, simple, I can able to change the password and I successfully hijacked the Instagram account. But the thing is, it's looked like suspicious victim got the SMS there. Okay, quickly, he wanna record that stuffs. Okay, at that time, what we do means the attacker will start this SMS bomber. Okay, this is the thing, in confusion. Okay, it will send around 100 to 500 SMS at the same time. Okay, he can't able to figure out that which is from Instagram. Okay, so that's why this SMS bomber is useful. Okay, majority of people will do this for prank purpose or something like that. But they don't know, I don't know why, but the people don't know fun purpose. But let me tell you, this is a very dangerous stuffs. Okay, now. Simple, let me start the SMS bomber here. Just type here one. See, the simple thing is usually no need to type any kind of command here. Okay, simple. If you want to start the car bomber, simple type 2 there. Okay, if you want to start this SMS bomber, simple press 1 there. Okay, let me start the SMS bomber from here. Okay, just type 1, there. Now enter your country code without plus. Okay, simple. What you need to do means assume that I'm gonna target. I know my target. He's from us. Simple. The U.S country code is what's simple. It's a 1, I think, right? Just type enter now. Enter the target number. Simple. Just type something like this. Okay, I don't know this number. I'm just typing randomly. Okay, 608 765 something like that. Okay, now simple, just type enter now, enter number of SMS to send max 100. Okay, and here maybe if you type 0, it will send the limited SMS. I think just let me see that it's a very excellent script. Okay, thank you.